Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Have you ever felt lonely and detached and isolated when first starting a diet program? Well, I think we all have had that experience, and certainly in the ketogenic lifestyle and diet, we all need to have a support system around us to enhance our probability of success. And embarking on a keto diet plan can offer an abundance of benefits, from improved energy levels to weight loss and enhanced mental focus. However, sticking to a low-carb, high-fat diet can be challenging at times, which is where social support comes in. Whether you're brand new to keto or have been following the diet for a while, having social systems in place can help you with accountability, motivation, and to ensure that you're on track. In this video, we're going to delve into the importance of seeking social support on your keto journey and explore different ways to find it, including a support group or even finding a keto buddy or two. When you're starting a new diet, having a strong support network can help you stay committed and give you encouragement you need to keep after it and on track. That's why finding a supportive community is essential to the success of your keto journey. Now, one way to find social support is by joining a keto support group, both online and offline. There are numerous Facebook groups and forums that cater to people on a ketogenic diet. By joining these groups, you can engage with other people who are going through similar struggles and challenges as you are. You can also ask questions, share your experiences, and share your successes. Another way to find social support is by finding a keto buddy. A keto buddy is someone who's following the same diet as you and is looking for someone to share the journey with. A keto buddy can help hold you accountable, make meal planning and prepping more enjoyable, and make it easier to navigate eating out together. You can find a keto buddy through your existing social network or by joining forums and online groups that focus on keto. And if you're fortunate, it might be a family member that lives in close proximity to you who can act as your keto buddy and inspiration and motivation. It's worth noting that beyond the accountability factor, there's also the added benefit of gaining new friends through social groups or finding a buddy. Feeling connected to others who share your experiences on this journey can help you feel more motivated, confident, and supported. Like-minded individuals can offer advice, tips, and guidance to help you stay on track and to reach your goals. You know, there are other ways you can get social support as well. Consider attending Keto Meetups hosted by local groups in your area. These meetups allow you to connect with other keto dieters face-to-face, make new friends, and learn from others who've been on the path longer. Many of these groups also have a Facebook or social media page that you can connect with. So, in conclusion, following a keto diet plan involves a learning curve, but gaining support and advice from others can greatly increase your chances of success. Whether you choose to join a support group, find a keto buddy, attend meetups, post online forums, or a combination of these, seeking social support is critical when it comes to keeping yourself on track with your health goals. Remember that while staying disciplined and focused is important, it's also important to share your experiences and engage with others along the way. So reach out to others, seek support, and know that you're not alone on your keto journey. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type them in below. And also, please join and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon below that says subscribe to keep abreast of our updates of my videos. And I'd be very honored if you did that, to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Again, Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.